YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Canon TS6020. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing on this, or you're having just general print quality issues, I'm going to show you a method where you can go clean this print head inexpensively and very easily. I highly recommend anyone do this. This is extremely simple. Now the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to lift that up. Okay, next, if you notice here, we have black that's blinking. So that is ink that needs to be replaced. Now, regardless of that, if you're having this issue, it's most likely because you let your ink run dry. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some 270 Canon ink down in the description below. If you're running any of your colors or black low on ink, you're going to want to go ahead and buy some new ink. That is the main culprit of this problem. That's what's causing you to not have good print quality. Alright, so next you're going to want to have access to your print head, and that's why we removed the ink. So the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're just going to need to lift this latch right here. Maybe you didn't know it was a latch, but it's right there. And you're just going to go ahead and take out your print head. Alright, you're going to go ahead and take it out just like that. Okay, and as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. Alright, so next you're going to want to have it in a container just like this. And you're going to go ahead and clean it just like that in the container. You're going to want to have a cleaning syringe, and it's going to come with a cleaning kit that has cleaning solution, and it's going to have everything you need to clean this print head. That is also going to be in the description below. Now, for whatever reason, if you think that you need more cleaning solution, there's going to be another one once you click on that link that should be down in one of the sections there that has a little bit more cleaning solution, but I'll talk about that a little bit more in just a second. So really, if you have a certain color that is giving you issues, locate it. If it's maybe yellow, you're just going to go over and focus on yellow, and you're going to push all your cleaning solution right through there. Okay, and that's exactly how it should look. Now if it's black, you're going to go ahead and do black, right? Okay, and that's perfect. So that's exactly how it should look. You are cleaning out dry ink. So this is how it's going to look. You're going to have a lot of ink that just shoots out like that, and there's nothing wrong with that as long as you dry it off. Now if you believe that you have a bigger issue and you need to hit these multiple times, I recommend that you get that kit with more cleaning solution. So it's vital that you get your new ink and that you have this cleaning solution. Those two things are extremely necessary for you to be able to do this project. Now a container like this is very easy to find, so I won't link that in the description below. But once you click that link, if you needed to buy one, you can also get that on Amazon, which is where the links shoot you over to. Alright, so go ahead and dry off your print head, and we can go ahead and put it back in the printer. Alright, so once you have cleaned your print head, you're going to just go ahead and put it right back. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You're just laying it back in there, laying down this latch, and again, wait for that new ink if you have to. You do not run low ink on this print head once you've cleaned it. You're just going to you're just going to have the same problem again. Alright, so if you continue to have this issue or it just doesn't work for you for whatever reason, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this printer and also for a print head, because you can solve this problem with, if you have an error code that has to do with, this is not an error code, this is a support code. If you have an error code that says ink system failure, you can buy a new print head if this cleaning doesn't work, and I'm going to leave that down there as well in the description box. Now if you wanted to scratch all that, you just wanted to, you got frustrated just by watching me do this, and you just wanted to buy a new printer, I'm going to leave a link down below for this printer and 2 or 3 other printers that use similar ink, so that you can go ahead and buy that as well. Now if you're wanting to buy a different type of printer, or you just wanted to browse for other printers, or just have general knowledge on printers, you can go to my website at bestprinterstech.com and you can go ahead and browse there as well. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.